Today we are going to learn 40 action verbs in Urdu. Hi, I'm Sara. I teach Urdu as a second language on YouTube and on these platforms. Today's lesson is suitable for beginner level students. If you want to get a PDF file of these verbs, you can find the link in the description box. These verbs are infinitive verbs. You have to conjugate them in a specific tense to make a sentence. I made videos on every single tense so you can conjugate them. If you want, you can write something in the comment section. Let's get started. Padhna, study. Padhna, padhna. The da is a bit deeper. The da sound is a bit difficult for learners. Padhna, to study. Padhana, padhana, to teach. Padhana. This is also using the ra sound. Padhana. Baat karna, baat karna, to talk. Baat karna. Bolna, bolna, to say. Bolna. Banana, banana, to make. Banana. Dena, to give. Dena. Lena, to take. Lena. Koshish karna, koshish karna, to try. Koshish karna. Lana, to bring. Lana. Dekhna, dekhna, to watch. Dekhna. Khana, to eat. Khana. Khana is also a noun that means food. Jana, to go. Jana. Ana, ana, to come. Kaam karna, kaam karna, to work. Kaam karna. Chahna, chahna, to want. Chahna. Sochna, sochna, to think. Sochna. Bulana, bulana, to invite or to summon. Bulana. Puchna, puchna, to ask. Puchna. Peena, peena, to drink. Peena. Likhna, likhna, to write. Likhna. Band karna, band karna, to close or to turn off. Band karna. Kholna, to open or to turn something on. Kholna. Rona, rona, to cry. Rona. Hasna, hasna, to laugh. Hasna. Sunna, sunna, to listen. Sunna. Khelna, khelna, to play. Padhna, padhna, is to read. It also means to study. Padhna. Chadna, chadna, means to climb. Charna. When you're speaking very fast, you don't produce the ha sound after ra. Chadna. Ladna, to fight. Ladna. Ladna. Gana, to sing. Gana. Bajana is to play an instrument. Bajana. Bajana. Intizar karna, intizar karna, to wait. Intizar karna. Pakana, pakana, to cook. Pakana. Dhona, to wash. Dhona. Khenchna, to pull. Khenchna. Khenchna. Phekna, फेंकना, to throw away. फेंकना, बताना, to tell, बताना, आराम करना, to rest, आराम करना, दौड़ना, to run, दौड़ना, पैदल चलना, to walk, पैदल चलना. That is it. I hope you have learned from this video. I'll see you later. Goodbye.